What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video taking a look at my new smartwatch. So I picked up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now I was going to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, but I decided to not get that one after looking at it and considering. I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Watch for years, kind of based on this same model with the rotating outer bezel here. And I decided that I wanted to try a different style. Now this watch came out years ago, still works, still looks great, but it was just time to upgrade, and that's what I did. Now I picked this up from Best Buy. They were running it at a special of $239, something like that, but I had some credits and I didn't pay that much for mine, but that's where you can get it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick it up. Here's the packaging, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Nice picture of the device here. And here's the box, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Here are a few of the specs on mine. So I have the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS model. And yeah, so let's get into the box. Nice packaging here. So let's crack it open. Get the old unboxing knife out. Got a couple of pieces of tape here. Cut that. Cut that one. And get this part. So I'm super excited to get a new watch, man. It's been a while, like I said. Let's see what else is in the packaging here. Put that over to the side. So you're going to have your, I think in here you're going to have your charger inside of there. May be some paperwork in here as well. Let's see. Yeah, you're going to have your quick start guide here inside of it. And then this is your charging cable here. There's your charging cable, so you're going to have a magnetic charging cable with the Type A end on it. And here's the watch. This is what I've been waiting on. Now, this comes in 3 different colors. You can get this in silver, green, and black. Since I have the black Z Fold 3, I decided to pick it up. Whew! This thing is super thin compared to what I was wearing. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Has a little hint of red on the top button, 2 buttons there. A nice silicone band, I guess this is. Feels very good, man, in the hand. On the back of it, you're going to have all your sensors for the new stuff that they have offering on these. These have a quick release band here. And this is the large band, I think. And then this is so much different, man. Let's take a look at it next to my old watch. So here it is. You guys see, this is so much thinner, man. So thin in comparison. Now, this one does have a rotating bezel on this one, whereas this one's going to have it on the outside there. And as far as the size, it's quite a bit bigger on this one. This one's a whole lot thicker, too. So I didn't mean to get into that part of it that quick, but oh, this thing is stunning, man. Very stunning. So the features on this has a 1.6-inch Super AMOLED display. The resolution is going to be 450 by 450 for 330 ppi. So this has what they call a digital bezel. So this has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, and this is running the Exynos 920 processor. This has 361 milliamp battery. That's supposed to last up to 40 hours. So those are a few of the specs right there. Now, some of the new features on this is going to have body composition analysis. That's going to help you with your wellness goals. So this also has ECG. Now, that's supposed to detect heart rhythms, arrhythmia, things like that. This has advanced sleep and continuous SpO2. So that's supposed to monitor your sleep quality. This is going to have fitness tracking, the VO2 Max Advanced Run coaching, and you're going to have upgraded OS. This is running on the Google Wear OS 3. So that's going to allow for Google services and apps. So yeah, those are a few of the features and details on this. Very sleek looking, and I think I'm going to like this. So it's going to pair up nice with my earbuds and my phone over there. Let's go ahead and see if we got any power. And I think what I'm going to do is just go ahead and set this up. And then I'll come back and give you my initial thoughts on it. I'm not going to go too deep into it without using it for a while. So there's the boot up screen. Let's go ahead and get the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 ready here. And see if it automatically detects the watch. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. A little excited to have this new watch, man. I'm going to probably order me some bands, get some screen protectors, and then just go in just like that, man. But very lightweight, sleek, very nice looking, man. I'm glad I got the black color. And there it is. As you guys see, it has detected it already. We're going to go ahead and connect. And we'll go through this process for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. It's asking to confirm this number, and it's confirmed. Connect and check status. So we're going to go ahead and start. Scanning for devices. So you guys see my Buds 2, Galaxy Watch 4. So I guess I'm supposed to hit this. Yeah, so that's what I did there. So it's going to ask for this number. I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Check your watch to complete setup. So here it is. It is downloading software hit to the watch, to the phone. It says 100%. Continue. We're going to go ahead and continue. Google Terms of Services. I'm going to go ahead and agree. I guess I can change all that later if I need to. It says getting your watch ready. So guys, I'm going to pause it right here. When this is finished, I'll come back. All right, guys, so we're back in. Everything has loaded up. It's connected to my phone. It's telling me right here to swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. So I guess it's giving me a little bit of a tutorial here. Swipe back to go back to watch faces. It's telling me to swipe up from the bottom edge. And this is where you're going to be able to get into all of your apps there. This is just a little tutorial for notifications. Swipe this way. Tap to open. So you would just tap to open up a notification. Swipe right to go back to the previous screen. Tap to open. So swipe left. That's going to take you right back. So pretty much the same thing. For tile, swipe left. So you got your daily activity. Press the home button to go to your watch face from any screen. And that's it. So that's it. Pretty much the tutorial. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notifications. Got it? So this is back to the watch face that comes on the watch. So strolling over, this is just some of the preset stuff that they have here. Body composition, sleep, weather, birthday. Today's my birthday. ECG, that's where you can do your heart thing there. Heart rate, stress. Plus you can add more. So I'm going to go back home. This is everything that they have on here. You see they got things. You got a calculator on here. You got your email. Not sure what this is. That's your media playback there. Let's see. So you got your activity. You got the app store here. Here's your settings. So this is all your settings you can go in. Notifications, Samsung Health, advanced features, battery, general. This is all your settings. So I'm not going to go through all of this right now, guys, because I want to use the watch a little bit. And let's take a look at the digital bezel in comparison to my old watch where it had a physical rotating bezel right here. This is a digital one. And it does click. I do feel it clicking as I'm strolling through here. So works pretty good in comparison to this one. So let's go into the app. So you can customize. Here's all your watch faces. There's going to be a lot of them on here. I'm going to have to go through and figure out which watch face I want to use. You got your app screen, so you can go through and I guess you can customize this as well. This is everything that was on the watch that I was showing you. Here are your tiles. Hopefully you can add. and adjust those as you want. Your quick panels, you can set this up like you want. Watch settings, just like we saw on there. Find my watch. See, let's go ahead and try that. So that is a great feature there. So we're going to stop. Tips and manuals. So you can do different things with your tips and manuals there. And then you have your store. So these are some of the apps that you can add as well. So that is it as far as the app on the phone. Here's a little hamburger menu here. And that just allows you to swap between your different devices. So that is it, guys. That's just a quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I'm going to come back after I use it for a few days, let you guys know what I think about it, and tell you my impressions on it. All right, guys, this is Will of Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.